Do not commit insurance fraud. I can't believe that I need to say this. We are getting loads of people who are reaching out during this last week of the annual enrollment period trying to get us to assist them in committing insurance fraud. Some, I think, just don't realize exactly what they are asking. Others definitely know what they are doing, and they have been educated on how to try and cheat the system by some other agents, by some other YouTube channels. Let me repeat, do not commit insurance fraud. This is happening around Medicare supplement plans. There are a few videos out there that are intentionally trying to scare people about Advantage plans. There are weaknesses to Advantage plans. We need to address that, and we have several videos that go over what those weaknesses are. But the reality of those plans are nowhere near what these videos are saying. And so people on Advantage plans are scared into trying to switch to Medicare supplement plans. If you are in a time period where switching is easy, great. If you can afford supplement plans, great, make the switch. If you are not in a window where switching is easy, in most states and in many situations, in order to switch to a supplement plan outside your guaranteed issue windows, you need to go through what's called medical underwriting. The supplement plan insurance companies will ask you questions about your health. If you legitimately have good health, great, make the switch to supplement plans. If you do not have good health, maybe you have some health conditions, you have had surgeries, or you will have surgery scheduled in the near future, you can be declined a supplement plan. Some folks reaching out have already been declined a supplement plan, but they have been instructed by others to just lie on the application this time. It doesn't work like that. Any creditable agent will not lie for you on an application, and here's why. The insurance companies can reach out to your doctors to verify your health status. There are electronic medical records now. Insurance companies can see these. Insurance companies can figure out which medications you are taking. If you lie about not having a condition when you really do, or if you lie about not having a scheduled surgery and then you do have one and you go through with it, the insurance company will find out. Now, here are 3 things that will happen when they find out. If they find out during your application process, you will be declined. If they find out after your application process and you went through with all of these procedures and they find out you have these health issues, the insurance company can deny all of those claims, which means that you now need to pay anything that the insurance company paid, and they can drop you from the plan, meaning you now no longer have a supplement plan. You cannot get another supplement plan because of your health, and then you can't get an Advantage plan if you're outside the proper enrollment periods. The third thing that can happen is if an agent assisted you with this fraud, that agent can get fined, can get dropped from the insurance company he or she was offering, and they can lose their license. If you are discussing plan details with an agent over the phone, agents are required to record those calls. And if you commit insurance fraud, the insurance company will contact the agent that helped you get that plan. They will ask the agent, did you know about this? Let's pull that call. Now both of you are in trouble. If you are working with an agent that is willing to commit insurance fraud to get you on a plan, do you not think that that same type of person wouldn't be willing to do some shady things that are not in your favor down the road? If you suspect that your agent is trying to suggest insurance fraud, protect yourself and record the call yourself. The new iPhone update has this built into it. They will get a voice alert that lets them know that the call is being recorded, and I'd be willing to bet that they either immediately stop that call or they completely change the direction of that conversation. Lying about your health isn't the only way. Lying about your address is another. If someone is telling you, look, you are on an Advantage plan, but you don't want to be, find a friend or find a family member or a coworker with an address in another state. Move there temporarily. That's insurance fraud. If you actually move, great. If you legitimately buy a new home or you're renting a new place and you're living there, or you actually move in with your kids, that's not the problem. When you are using an address that you have no intention of living at, that you will never live at, just to get a Medicare supplement plan, that is insurance fraud. Please, please, do not commit insurance fraud. If you are that desperate, please do not reach out to us to help you with that. Work with those channels that are teaching you how to do it, and when it all comes crashing down, just remember, we told you so. And if you are being scared into this from some message or video from someone who is talking about how terrible Advantage plans are, yet they are willing to commit insurance fraud, maybe we need to take a step back and consider the source on everything that they are telling you. Please be smart out there. I am putting out a video here in the next couple of days that will be exposing the shady, unethical, and at times illegal tactics that have been going on by agents in the Medicare space. If it is done and released, you will see it right here. If it is not there yet, please make sure that you subscribe and you'll be notified when it is released. I will see you in the next video.